Welcome to this Calm Down Countdown. Sometimes we have a lot of energy in our bodies, whether we're excited, upset, or just feeling a little bit restless. That extra energy can make it really hard to relax. It happens to everyone, even adults. But don't worry, because we can use a trick to help calm our bodies and our minds whenever we need it. Today, we're going to use a calm down countdown. With each number, we'll relax a little more. And by the time we reach number 1, you'll feel calm, peaceful, and ready to take on whatever comes next. This is something you can do anytime you have too much energy, need to feel a little bit more calm, or need to get ready to focus. Let's get started. First, find a comfortable spot where you can sit or lie down. Once you're comfortable, gently close your eyes. Start by taking a few deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Breathe in, breathe out. One more time, in and out. You're starting to feel a little more calm already, aren't you? Now we're going to count down from 10 to 1. As we do, we'll relax different parts of our bodies, letting go of all that extra energy or tension. With each number, you'll feel more calm and more relaxed. 10. Feel your whole body resting and take a deep breath. As you breathe out, feel yourself start to relax. 9. Focus on your feet and toes. Let them relax and feel soft. Any tightness in your feet is melting away. 8. Now move up to your legs. Let your legs feel heavy and still. Imagine all that extra energy flowing out, leaving them calm and relaxed. 7. Bring your attention to your belly. Take a breath in, and as you breathe out, let your belly relax. 6. Now focus on your hands and fingers. Can you wiggle them a little bit like you did with your toes? Now let your hands rest and feel calm. Let all the energy in your hands drift away. 5. Move to your arms. Let them get heavier and more relaxed. Imagine all that extra energy melting away, leaving them calm and still. 4. Focus on your shoulders. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, let your shoulders drop and relax, letting all that tension and energy in your shoulders disappear. 3. Notice your neck. If there's any tightness or stiffness, imagine it melting away. Let your neck feel soft and comfortable. 2. Relax your face. Let your forehead soften. Your eyes feel heavy. Let your jaw relax. 1. Now feel your whole body from the top of your head to your toes, completely relaxed. All that extra energy has flowed away, and you feel calm and peaceful. Now, your mind is clear, your body's resting. Let's take one more deep breath together. Breathe in and breathe out slowly. You've just completed the Calm Down Countdown. Great job. Remember, you can use this trick anytime you need to calm yourself down, whether you're feeling too excited, upset, or even having trouble falling asleep. And this countdown works for everyone, you and your grown-up, because we all need moments to relax. Thanks for joining us today on 5-Minute Meditations for Kids. We hope you found some calm and focus. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a moment of mindfulness.
And if you have a minute, we'd love for you to leave us a 5-star rating and review. It really helps other families find their calm too. Thank you for the support, and we will see you next time.